Yokwe everyone, MCG here. If you've been following me on Facebook, you would have known that last weekend we had a tropical storm here in the Marshall Islands. It's the, some people have been saying it's the worst storm in 15 years or so. So this vlog, I'm going to show you some videos that I've taken and some friends have taken during the height of the storm, and then also some of the aftermaths. There were some yachts that ended up losing their moorings and other boats, and quite a bit of damage. Some houses fell into the lagoon and stuff like that. So hope you enjoyed this. High tide on Thursday the 2nd of July, the night before the real storm took place. This is my first experience of seeing the water splash up over our wall. So this video is from the morning of the 3rd of July from our porch. It's low tide, and as you can see it's really rough out there. You could almost ride a surfboard. During this time a lot of boats lost their moorings, and the waves in the lagoon were up to about 8 meters, and wind gusts got up to about 50 knots. I'm not sure if we wanted to be storm chasers or what, but in the middle of the storm we actually went out. Alan wanted to investigate the sewage treatment plants and water plants just to make sure everything was operating okay, and I took some photos around the area, and the wind gusts were really high, and it was really hard at some times to actually open up the car door. Number of properties around the lagoon either had damage by seawalls collapsing and the water undermining their properties. A number of them also had boats come up into their properties, which wouldn't have been very pleasant for them, and a lot of flooding. So this is high tide on the 3rd of July, and this is the worst damage we received in our complex, was just the waves splashing over the seawall and inundating the grass. So a week on, all that area of grass has died, but our complex sustained no damage at all, which was great. The Shoreline Apartments, which are run by the RRE Resort, and the RRE Resort itself sustained a lot of damage. The front 3 apartments. The 2 end ones, you can see the water undermine the balconies, but the middle one actually fell into the ocean. And one of the bungalows at RRE Resort actually fell into the ocean as well. Well, that's it. I hope you enjoyed seeing our experience of the tropical storm. Hopefully there won't be another one in our time that we're here. Anyway, everyone keep safe. Until next time, Balolok. See you later.